All right, y'all, so we don't have long for this part because I'm pretty sure my son's gonna wake up from his nap in the next, I don't know, few minutes. So we're gonna see how much I'm able to get done. And also we're going to the fair after this. So, but I feel like I can get this done quick. I got these pumpkins here from Kroger. Right there. I got these mums also from Kroger. They're beautiful. And I got some other stuff you're gonna see as I decorate. So let's get started. All right, I did it. That is all that is going on the front door. So quick, simple pumpkins, mums, and a wreath. I'm gonna show y'all up close real quick, and then later on tonight I'm probably gonna do the other areas of the house that I'm gonna add fall touches to. Quick note about that, well, I'll talk about that later. So let me show you the porch. All right, guys, so this is it. So the door link came from Hobby Lobby. I'll try to link it below, but this is a Halloween version. If you saw at the beginning, on the flip side is a scarecrow, and I plan to turn it to that side during Halloween weekend to kind of be our you know, Halloween decor. I'm not really doing Halloween decor this year. I got those magenta and orange mums. I added that different layering rug up under my other rug. I like that rug on top. I got it from Target. I'll try to link that one below. The one below it, the layering one, came from Hobby Lobby. It's 100% cotton, so I figure it could take it out here. I could wash it, but I think it should be okay. Some yellow mums here. These were so wild when I picked them up, y'all. They were just so wide, and yeah, so I hope they last. These actually require sun, and my front door is actually quite shady, so I hope that these can last for at least a month. The ones I had last year did pretty much last a month, but I decorated a lot later, so we'll see what happens. And then I have my 3 pumpkins, or gourds if you want to call them, on this little crate display. These crates came from Hobby Lobby. I believe I got them for Charles' first birthday photo shoot, so I've had them for a little while. And all the pumpkins came from the front of Kroger. And then here is my wreath. I always get a little thrown because I forget that lion kind of is in the way, but it works. Like it's working. The door closes and the wreath is hanging. But I got this fall wreath from Hobby Lobby. I think I might turn it again to make this part be at the bottom, but I kind of like having that lighter part on the right, so I may play with it. But this is the front door. You'll see it again at the end of this video. And I'm about to go get ready to go to the fair now, but you'll see the rest of the stuff I do later on tonight. Hey y'all, it is actually the next weekend. Y'all know life does life. But I am back at finishing up my fall decor. I'm about to decorate my formal dining room sideboard, banquet, whatever you want to call it. I decided I'm going to leave my table the way it is because I very recently did this turn on this table, and it actually is, I put it on as a transitional kind of fall thing, but it's still giving me quite the fall vibes. And when I finish with the banquet, you'll see why I left it as is. It's going to tie in really nicely, and I'm going to do some small touches in the kitchen, and that will be it. I'm not doing, I did a fair amount of fall decor last year. I'm not doing as much, one, because my son is much more active. I might have already said this, so I apologize. And he's more so he's very much more interested in things. And also, I don't want to have to take a ton of it down when it's time to decorate for Christmas. So I may be being a little selfish about it this year, but it's still going to be nice. So let's go ahead and get started.